In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the 2x2 rib stitch. It's such a beautiful stitch. It's very easy and it can create a very nice squishy project. In this case, I am creating a scarf, and so I just love how this specific yarn is a super bulky 6, and it's just giving so much texture and just a lot of squish. And so let's go through that today on how to do the 2x2 rib stitch. So since I'm doing this scarf, I am slipping the first stitch. So that's not necessarily part of the pattern, but if you are wanting a nice salvage edge, you can do that. Okay, so here's the pattern. It's so simple, so easy, and just creates this beautiful, chunky, squishy texture. Obviously, if you're using a much thinner yarn, it's not going to have this same look and feel, but it's still the same pattern and it's still quite beautiful. Okay, so simply the pattern is, and you can already tell if you are looking closely at the stitches, it's just going to be 2 purls. You can see these bumps. And then we've got 2 V's. So 2 knit stitches, 2 more bumps, 2 more V's, 2 more bumps. So that is it. 2 purls, 2 knits, 2 purls, 2 knits. So let's start with our purl stitch. So I'm going to bring the yarn to the front for my purl stitch. I'm coming in from the top. And if you need a refresher on the purl stitch, I'm going to post that up above so that you can check that out. And I go through it much slower. But still, I'm going to go through it a couple times slow here. Okay, so I came in from the top. My yarn is in front. I like to say front yarn, front of my needle, front window. And then I'm going to go around the needle, and I'm going from back to front. Oops, I just dropped it. It's okay. So again, we're in the front. We're going from back to front. And so again, your yarn should always be here in the front. And now I'm scooping it, going to the back window and popping it off the top. Let's do it again. My yarn's in the front. I'm going in the front window. I'm going from back to front around the needle. I'm coming in that back window, popping it off the top. Now I'm going to bring my yarn to the back to do my 2 knit stitches. And so the knit stitch is back. Purl is front, knit is back. And that means yarn in the back. I'm going to come in from the bottom into this back window. And now I'm going from back to front, scooping it to the front window and popping it off the top. Let's do it again. Yarn's in the back, going in the back window, going from back to front, scooping it to the front window, off the top, pop it off the top. If you need a refresher on the knit stitch, I will also post that video up above that will walk you through that much more slowly and in detail. So here we are, we've got two bumps. And so we're always stacking. We're stacking our purls and we're stacking our knit stitches. And you can see, if you look in the pattern more closely, all of the knit stitches are stacked. And then if you spread this apart, you can see all of your purl stitches will be stacked. So bring the yarn to the front, pop it off the top, in the front, around the needle, to the back window, pop it off the top. Now I'm doing my 2 knit stitches. Bring the yarn to the back window, around the needle, to the front, pop it off. Back window, around the needle, front window, pop it off the top. And looky here, we got 2 bumps. That means we need our 2 purls. Bring that yarn to the front. We're going into the front window, around the needle, to the back, pop it off the top. Front window, around the needle, to the back, and pop it off. And so I am just simply alternating 2 knits, 2 purls, 2 knits, 2 purls all the way across. And so it's so simple, it's so easy, it's so fun, and it just creates this beautiful, oh, I love it so much, this beautiful, beautiful 2x2 rib stitch. And you can see in this sweater, it's just so squishy and gonna keep me extra, extra warm this winter. And I can hardly wait for this scarf to be done. So I'm just gonna keep going here, alternating 2 knits, 2 purls. And again, the key is when you flip your work over that you are stacking your knits and purls. And so if you started out with 2 purls, as we did, you're actually gonna start out with 2 knit stitches then once you flip your work. I'll show you that here in just a second. All right, so I just completed that alternating knits and purls, 2 at a time, and now I'm flipping over my work. And so if we look closely, we can see, don't mind the first stitch because that's my salvage stitch. You can see we've got 2 V's here. So we're gonna start with these 2 knit stitches. Here are my 2 bumps. So then we're gonna go to purls. So 2 knits, 2 purls, 2 knits, 2 purls, all the way across. And so very simply, we just keep doing that all the way, keep building on our project, and you will create this beautiful, beautiful, easy, great beginner stitch. Oh, love it so much. All right, have fun with it. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.